Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by deciding wired or wireless and gathering essentials: adapter, cable, or dongle. Plugging HDMI gives lowest latency. Wireless is convenient but needs network stability. Make sure your TV input matches your adapter, HDMI, or a Miracast-capable smart TV. On the phone, enable Wi-Fi and Bluetooth and check for MHL or USB-C DisplayPort support. This determines whether a passive cable works or an active adapter is required. Once ready, connect the physical cable or power. Now you make the connection and configure the display. If wired, plug the USB-C or micro USB adapter into your phone, then HDMI into the TV and switch the TV input. The phone should detect external display. If wireless, open your phone's cast or screen mirroring menu, locate the TV or dongle, and tap to pair. Accept pairing on the TV. Adjust phone display settings for resolution or rotation if offered. Make sure apps allow screen capture, and that both devices stay on the same Wi-Fi network for stability. Finish by optimizing the viewing experience and handling common issues. On the TV, pick a picture mode and speaker output. On your phone, lock orientation or set screen timeout longer to avoid interruptions. If DRM-protected apps refuse to cast, try playing directly on the TV app or use a wired connection. Protected streams may block screen sharing. If the mirror lags or disconnects, restart the phone and TV, reboot the router, and repair. This often clears network or handshake problems and restores a stable connection.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.